In this video, we take a group of Jeeps from Huntsville, Alabama, out to the east side of Alabama to the Little River Canyon area for a Jeep and greet at the Jeep Outfitters. The Little River Canyon Jeep Outfitters just opened in the spring of 2023, and this was the first of hopefully many Jeep and greets at their location. And they picked a beautiful day for this, nice and sunny, and they had a great turnout. So this event had food and live music, but it's also always great to just meet other Jeepers, talk Jeep, look at their modifications they done so you can get ideas of what you want to do. And then the outfitter itself has tons of Jeep merchandise as well as Jeep parts and equipment and stuff. So if you're in the Little River Canyon area, we hope you get the chance to check these guys out. We'll put a link to their Facebook page and websites in the description below. And a big thanks and shout out to the group that convoyed out from Huntsville with us. We really enjoyed this day. Next on our agenda was to do a little trail riding in the Little River Canyon. For this, it's about a 15-mile loop, if you will, that we did on this trip. And we started on Trail 1, went to Trail 4, Trail 5, then Trail 9, and then out on Trail 7. So Little River Canyon area is mostly Forest Service roads that are mainly either gravel or smoothed out dirt. They do a lot of maintenance here to keep the majority of the roads passable, even with two-wheel drive vehicles. The only exception that we found, one trail that was a little more technical, was trail number 9, and you'll see that in the video, and we had a lot of fun there. There are also a lot of little creek crossings and then one big river crossing that you do. So let's sit back and take in some of the scenery along this trail.
What?
She don't want me to fall in the hole. on, Bryson?
Yep, coming.
So that's our adventure around the Little River Canyon area. We'll put descriptions below for both the wildlife management area and the Jeep Outfitters, and we hope you get a chance to visit both of them soon. If you liked the video, go ahead and hit that like button and consider subscribing to follow along with all of our adventures. And until next time, we'll see you out there getting fresh air.